Hey programmers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm back with another Python program. In today's video, we have to write a Python program to check if a character entered by a user is an uppercase alphabet or a lowercase alphabet. So in this task, we have to check whether the given alphabet is in uppercase or in the lowercase. So let's get into this. So the first thing first, we have to ask the user to enter an alphabet. So as soon as the user enters the alphabet, we have to check whether this alphabet is in uppercase or in the lowercase. So the first I'm gonna just put the condition for the uppercase. Yeah, to check the uppercase, I've just put this, keep this alphabets capital so it can check their binary digit code, and then it will say either it's a uppercase or lowercase. So if this is the uppercase, then it will place the uppercase. It will print the uppercase. Similarly, I'm just putting this elif, or you can also just put this else, but I'm just putting this elif, and I'm just keeping this same like condition, but this time I'm gonna put them in the lowercase. And then what is gonna print? It will gonna print lowercase like this. And let's say if the user did not enter any kind of alphabet, so we can write not, and yeah, or we can say invalid input. Right. So here's the condition. I've just put the conditions right here. I'll just put the conditions right here, and let's just run this. So the first I'm giving the small d as an input, and then it says that it's a lowercase character, obviously. And then if I just put the capital D here, then it should say yes, an uppercase character. So here is the required code for the given problem. I hope you understand this thing, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.